Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by today's video, I'm going to be decluttering, organizing, and fixing my closet. I've been avoiding this for at least 2 months now. I can't take it anymore. If I feel like I can't walk into a space without tripping or even finding the thing that I need, it's a problem. My space needs to be clear so my mind can be clear. I'm pretty sure you have that one closet or several closets in your house that get out of sorts, that get out of whack over time. When you have that open space, especially with a door, you can just throw things in there and close it. Out of sight, out of mind, nobody sees what's going on, only you know what's going on. We're not gonna do that anymore. We're gonna tackle it. Pretty sure this won't be the last time, but the first step is to acknowledge and execute. I'm gonna bring y'all in. If you have a closet in your house right now that's a little out of whack, I highly recommend you just follow along. Although I would love to talk to you guys, we got work to do because the longer I talk, the less I'm gonna want to do this. Hey guys, so I have recently launched my first ebook, which is a self-help book of affirmations. This book is a daily reminder that you can do it despite any obstacle you may be facing. At times, we often forget how valuable we actually are. Practicing positive affirmations can shift your negative thinking and allow you to see and feel differently about yourself. You are what you speak. Change starts within you, so let it start now. If you're interested, click the link in the description of this video, as well as check in my community post to purchase yours today. Up here, clearly, as you guys can see, these are my jeans. I like to have my jeans like this because I just feel like it's easier to grab them. It was, pajamas, it was t-shirts, so on and so forth. And then down here was just like sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts, and I had them color coordinated, but again, I really don't know what happened. At the top, I just like threw extra blankets and pillows, so I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do. This is actually a really good storage space. I obviously cannot benefit from storing anything as far as clothes because of my height. I need a ladder every day to get my stuff. So we're gonna work smarter, not harder. This whole section right here is Eddie's. He doesn't really even use this part. So he's just like, do whatever you want to do. I take over majority of the closet. No longer was becoming like a closet. It was becoming storage. I have my shredder and then some boxes that I still didn't unpack yet. Just some duffel bags of Eddie's. I have just a bunch of clothes. I don't know why they're here, but just a pile of clothes that I'm pretty sure didn't survive up here because it was just too much. My sneakers are pretty good for the most part. So now that you can see what I'm working with, I think the best and the smartest thing to do would be to just take everything out of the closet, although it seems overwhelming. In order for me to figure out like how I want things to go, I need to take every piece out. That way I can go through the things that I want, the things that I want to keep, and so on and so forth. This is a process, so make sure you have time in your day. This is only half, y'all. Look at this monstrosity of clothes that I have. It's ridiculous. Like, the camera does no justice for the amount of clothes that I have on my bed right now. I'm getting anxiety because it's overwhelming. Like, my room is in a disarray even more. But I have high hopes. We do process of elimination. Things will be back in order. No. I think the first thing I should do is just sort through everything and keep the things that I want, the things that I don't, and then get them out of my house because I'm just gonna end up folding them back up and putting them on the shelf, and I'm not going to use them. I ask myself, why do you keep things that you don't need? Why do we hold on to things that serve us no purpose? Hi guys, so it's day 2. Your girl surrendered yesterday. 3 hours in, my body tapped out. It was just like, pump your brakes, sis, and wait till tomorrow. We're just gonna pick up where we left off. I got a lot accomplished. Went through a lot of my clothes, sorted them out. Literally have 2 bags of clothes that I'm just gonna give away to the Goodwill. Whoever wants them, just take them. A ton of hangers left over. I don't know why I thought it was a genius idea to change and get gray. Now I'm stuck with all these pink and white hangers. I don't know, I guess you can never have too many hangers. I'm gonna hang up the clothes now, and then after I'm gonna ask you guys what you think about the storage containers. I don't know where I should place them, but that's what I got you guys for.
Heartbreak is too close to home, got me searching places where my mind can't roam, God. Heartbreak is too close to home, got me searching places where my mind can't roam, God. I don't know, but I've been here before. Know it too well, and I don't like it at all. I see your faces. I'm always late to changes. We go through different phases. Still haven't turned the pages. I guess that shit.
So I decided that I would put my bags up top, because I don't really wear these bags too often unless I'm going somewhere. I have that one bag that I wear every single day, which I keep down. So I thought it would be a good idea to put it up top so it wouldn't be in the way. Even though it's going to be hell to get down, even for my stuff up top. But I didn't want to take away from Eddie's side of the closet. So bags are here, and like my designer stuff is up top. Struggling just a little bit because I can't really get the straps the way I want them to go, and I want it to be neater, but you guys get the gist of it.
Before, know it too well, and I don't like it at all. Is it too late to find love? Is it too late to cry? I wanna talk, but I can't find the words. Communication breaking, convos getting deaded, relations convoluted. I'm getting used to it. It's time to face the music, cause I've been acting stupid. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know if I can keep you close. Heartbreak is too close to home, got me searching places where my mind can roam, God. I don't know, but I've been here before. Know it too well, and I don't like.
So being that I didn't get a dresser, I decided to try these storage bins that look super spacious. I can fit a nice amount of pieces inside of them. But upon getting home and taking a second look, I wasn't too convinced. Plus, I feel like I could get more for less. These two were actually $70. But of course, I did go to the container store. They are really good storage containers if you need to fit them underneath your bed. But I didn't feel like it was going to look right as far as like presentation in my closet. I went back out and ended up at Target, of course. And I found these two nice size 3 drawer bins. It gave more of a dresser effect, especially when I stacked them. And the drawers were deep enough so I could fit a lot inside. Not to mention the price was way less. After like weighing out my options, I think that it looks better. The storage containers look better right here as opposed to in my closet. I think less is best, and I feel like I have enough already in there. You guys let me know what you think. I gotta like straighten it out some, but I think it looks really good here, and it's not blocking my door at all. Alright guys, so we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm exhausted. I need this to be a lesson learned, because 2 days for a closet. But I got it done, and now I'm able to exhale and work on something else in the house. Definitely not today though. If you were not able to get to this task like I did, or tackle a closet or whatever it is, I hope that you can save this video and replay it when you're ready to get to clean it. And I hope that this video motivated you. One thing I will say is work at your pace. Take your time, get it done, because if you're rushing, it will be very unpleasant and less enjoyable. Now that my stuff is organized, my mind definitely feels less cluttered. That's the whole goal. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know one thing in your house right now that is in a disarray. With that being said, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next upload.
She got that rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. She ride it, that's my rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. She want it, she make it rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. She got it, watch it rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Diamond dancing ballerina, shining play.
Michelle, simply Michelle.